Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you 2 easy sandwich recipes for your everyday breakfast. The first one is veg mayo sandwich, and let's move on to the preparation. First, add some onions chopped, some grated carrots, some chopped tomatoes, and some chopped cucumbers, some salt, mayos, and black pepper powder, and give it a mix. Take a bread slice, apply some green chutney. For this green chutney, you can check my green chutney recipes. And on top of it, add the stuff and spread the stuff evenly. On top of it, take another slice, spread some butter. Again, some stuff on it. Take another bread slice and keep on the top of the sandwich. Let's heat a pan, spread some butter, and place the sandwich on the butter. Once the sandwich is done one side, we can flip to the other side. Yes, the sandwich is ready. Let's cut it and serve in the serving plate. The second sandwich is egg mayo sandwich. For this sandwich, we need to boil eggs and cut them into small pieces. Then take a bowl, add this chopped eggs and then onions, some salt to taste, mayo, and mayos is an optional. If you don't like to use mayos, you can skip it. And then some black pepper powder and give it a good mix. Take a bread slice, spread the stuff, and take another bread slice. I'm preparing 2 sandwiches, and close it. Then heat a pan, spread some butter, and place the sandwich on the butter. Once it is done in one side, you can flip to the other side. Our sandwiches are ready.